Hello, welcome back to Natural Music. Today we are going to be doing a country gospel intro in the key of A flat for a 3/4 time song. This will go on a few different songs, but this is a good representation of a 3/4 time country gospel song in A flat. We play a lot in A flat, especially if you play in church, so this is a good one to have on the spot. So you should have just heard the demo of it. So now let's go ahead and dive in on how to accomplish that. So we start in the left hand, this walk up. All right. So what we're doing there is we go E flat, A flat, and then the right hand comes over and goes B flat, and then it hits B flat again, but then it slides to B to C, and it does, and then goes up to this E flat. So. And when we do that slide, it's over an A flat chord. This is just going A flat to E flat. It's like we're playing over this A flat, and then D flat, A flat, and then a D flat over an E flat. And all that'll make sense here in a second. But so since that first chord is A flat, we're going to hit the root note A flat nice and low down here. See, when we did that slide is when you hit that A flat. All right. Okay. Now we're going to come up here and do this lick. And this is a real classic sound for country gospel. What gives it that medium, low, lopey kind of sound. So you're going to hit pinky, E flat, and then you're going to go E flat and C together, and then I'll try to keep my fingers out of the way. I'll do some bad form so you can see. Then we're gonna go B with the thumb, cross over and hit then hit a B flat. So these two together, and then B flat, and then A flat. And I hang on to that E flat a little bit. But not real long, just maybe, I release it pretty quick. You can leave it down the whole time if you can. I don't think I do that. Okay? Now, in the left hand, after you hit that high E flat by itself in the right hand, when you hit the C and the E flat, we're going to go E flat. We're going to do that same fall off. We're going to go together, and it's going to harmonize real nice and give us that sound we're looking for. We're going to go E flat, barely hang on to that, and then go thumb D, then D flat, and then thumb C. So maybe practice that by itself. And then up here, then put it together. And don't think about hitting this together, this together, this together, this together. Think about the sound by itself. This up here sounds like this. And then this right here sounds like this. And then you just do it together. All right? So far we got... Oh, and I do need to mention to keep rhythm flowing, especially if you're not playing with a live band. After we do, I come up here and hit real light a C and an E flat before the. Let me do that real slow so you can see it. So it's part of an A flat chord, so it just sounds like there's something moving, like if a strumming guitar was going 1, 2, 3. There's a gap there, so we hit it. So. See how we did it? Just nice and light. All right. Now, we're going down to the point of the intro where we're going to go to the E flat chord. So since we're here, we're going to jump our pinky down to this E flat and change the root of the chord and play the third of an E flat, which is a G. So that changes in our mind to an E flat chord. That's enough to say that's an E flat chord taking place. So. All right, and I hesitated a little bit just so you can. So it's real quick. Then we're going to come up and keep that rhythm going. So a little bit lighter, we're gonna play B flat, E flat, and G, and we're gonna continue that E flat feeling. So we're gonna go, after we hit that E flat, that's gonna start the measure. We're gonna go up and hit this a couple times. So it'll go 1, 2, 3. So the left hand after 1, 2, 3, okay? Now, while we're hitting that rhythm, 1, 2, 3, it's like a bass line and a strumming guitar, we're gonna go up here in the right hand, we're gonna go, all right, so hit E flat, and then we're gonna hit E flat and B flat, and then change that B flat to a C, correct? Like that. And that gives us the sound we're looking for as well. And then we're going to hit a B flat and a D flat, then an A flat and a C. So it's, all right, so we go 1, 2, all right? So by the time we hit that A flat and the C there, we actually need to hit an A flat note down here because it changes back to an A flat chord. So it would be like, let me see. Sorry, I'm kind of messing up. Let me play it again, the whole thing. All right, so then we're gonna go hit this octave A flat. When we hit that A flat, come up here and hit a C and an E flat to keep that chord going. And I could add the A flat in there, but it just kind of gets in the way, and this is enough to state the chord. We've hit A flat here, and the C and the E flat just kind of complete this chord. So, 2. So you're gonna hit 1, 2, and then the 3 of that measure actually goes to a D flat, and this is where we're gonna play this kind of reoccurring lick that happens throughout a lot of country gospel songs. All right, so that's over D flat and back to an A flat. Then we're gonna go to a D flat with an E flat, but let's play nice and slow what we've done so far, and then we'll tackle this last lick. Oh, so. Okay, so we've just come out of 2. All right, so we hit 1, 2, then on the 3 of the measure of the A flat after we've done that 1, 2, we're gonna go. We're gonna hit this A flat note, and then we're gonna start this lick. Like this, all right? And so what that is, and we're just gonna hit this A flat, and then we're going to hit an A flat and a D flat together. This is where it actually changed to a D flat chord. You go. So you hit A flat single note, then A flat and D flat. And when you hit the A flat and D flat is when you're gonna hit an octave A flat. You went 1, 2, then D flat, all right? And then you'll go back to an A flat octave in a second. So hit that A or that D flat when you hit these 2 together. Now, to give it this sound, so we're gonna go D flat or A flat, and when we hit the D flat and A flat, we're going to go B flat, back down to A flat, then F. All right, so real quick. So that second one, we hit the A flat and D flat. And then hold down that F and go up here in the thumb, and then go up here and hit this D flat. All right, and then we're gonna resolve back down to an A flat chord. So we'll hit an A flat octave and be back down to this A flat, E flat, A flat, and C. So we got, all right. And then we're gonna hit the A flat a couple times. 1, 2, all right? So let me play that real slow in context coming out of this. Okay, so when we hit that A flat, the E flat, A flat, and C, we've changed back to an A flat chord, so A flat octave down here. We're gonna go 1 and 2 of that measure to keep rhythm going. So 1, and then I hit 2 kind of lighter. 1, 2, and then I'm going to go up here and hit a E flat in the left hand and a D flat in the right hand. So the right hand, so E flat octave if you can, or low note. The right hand, I'm going to play this D flat, A flat, D flat, and F. But you can either hit the octave down here, or you can slide up to a single note. I think I did that in the demo, but either one sounds just fine, where I go C, D flat to D, E flat. I just go all at one time. Just gives it a rolling motion. And it's fine if you don't want to do that. This sounds great too. I just go through different phases, and right now I'm doing this flat. So, okay, so let me play this whole thing nice and slow again. Okay, that is it for the intro in A flat for a country gospel sound for 3/4 time, maybe a little bit slower, lopier songs. We will see you at the next lesson and the next song. Thank you so much for watching.